Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to take a chapter 5 division and another topic, that is division by a two-digit divisor. In last division class, we were discussed about division by a one-digit divisor. Okay, so today we can discuss division by a two-digit divisor. Here I give you an example from let us try 5.2, that is 900 divided by 12. How we can divide it? The same method we can use here. 900 divided by 12. How we can do this? See here, in 90, how many 12 in 90? 12 into which number we can do? 5. What about 12 into 5? 5 into 2? 10. Then 1 into 5, 60. This is not enough. And we can select another. We can go for another number. Okay. 12 into 7. 14. 1 into 7, 7. 7 plus 1, 84. That is almost okay. So 7 into 12 we will get 84. And 90 minus 84 we will get 6. Then write the 0. And in 60, how many 12? We already find that 12 into 5 will get 60. Okay, then we'll get 0 as a reminder. Then 900 divided by 12 will get 75. Okay, this is the way by division by a two-digit divisor. Next we can go for another question. Our next question, 7225 divided by 85. Then we can find here 225 divided by 85. And is there any 85 in 7? No. What about 72? No. Then we can take 122. 85 into 8. What about 85 into 8? 8 into 5, 40. Then 0, 4 here. 8 into 8, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. And 8 times, this we need to write here. Okay, this is a place where we need to write 8. Then 8 into 85, 680. While subtracting, we will get 2 minus 0, 2. Then here 2, then we will take 1 from 7 and it's become 12. And 12 minus 8, 4. The 7 become 8, so the 6, then 6 minus 6, 0. And we can write this 5 here. Now 425. And we can go for another multiplier of 85. 85 into 5, 5 into 5, 25. So 5 here and 2 here. 8 into 5, 40. 40 plus 2, 42. And we will get 5 here. 5 into 85, 425. And while subtracting this, we will get 0 as a reminder. That means 7225 divided by 85 equal to 85. Okay. This is our next question. Let us try 5.2. Second question. If the cost of 1 dozen banana is 36 rupees, what is the cost of 1 banana? Also calculate the cost of 5 bananas. Here they given cost of 1 dozen banana. That we can write first. Cost of 1 dozen bananas. That is they given 36 rupees. And what is 1 dozen? 1 dozen means 12. So cost of 12 bananas. That is cost of 12 bananas. They given 36. And here we need to find cost of 1 banana. How we can find cost of 1 banana? Here cost of 12 banana is 36. So cost of 1 banana equal to 36 divided by 12. What is 36 divided by 12? 12 into 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. And we will get 3. 3 into 12, 36 and 0 as remainder. Here 36 divided by 12 is 3. What is 3? Cost of one banana. Cost of one banana is 3 rupees. And we need to find cost of 5 bananas. If cost of one banana is 3 rupees, then cost of 5 bananas. What is cost of 5 bananas? That we find in a multiplication chapter. How we find cost of 5 bananas? If we get cost of 1 banana, we'll get cost of 5 banana. How? 5 into 3. That is 15. And we can write 15 rupees. Okay. Our third question from let us try 5.1. A family packs 4 bananas in a box to distribute among the poor. They have 900 bananas in all. How many boxes are required to pack all the bananas? What is the question? A family packs how many bananas? 4 bananas in a box. That means in one box 1, 2, 3, 4 bananas. Then they have 900 bananas. Total 900 bananas are there. How many boxes are required to pack all the bananas? In one box 4 banana. How we can write that? In one box. In one box 4 bananas. Then how many such boxes needed to fill 900 bananas? Okay, for that we can divide. Total 900 is there. That 900 bananas we want to distribute equally. Equally 4 bananas like that. We want to distribute equally. That time we use division. Total number divided by for one box. So 900 divided by 4. How many 4 in 9? 2. 2 into 4, 8. And 1, 10. In 10 again 2 times. That is 8. Then 2. In here 20. And 5 times 4, 20. So how many boxes? 225. We can write 225 boxes required. Okay, this is the answer. This is another type of question from division. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is 945. If one of the number is 27, find the other number. See, product of two numbers. While we multiplying two numbers, we'll get product as 945. And here one number is 27. If one number is 27, what is the other number? What is the other number? This we can find 945 divided by 27. Okay, then we will get this number. How we can divide is 945 divided by 27. Okay, 27 into 3 we can do. 3 into 7, 21. Then 1, 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 81. 3 into 27, 81. And we will get 4 minus 1, 3. And 9 minus 8, 1. Now we can write this 5 here and here 135. Then 27 into which number will get 135? We can go for 5. 7 into 5, 35. 5 we can write here and 3 here. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. We'll get 135 here. And write 5 here. 5 into 27, 135. We'll get 0 as reminder. And what is the answer? 945 divided by 27, we will get 35. That means the other number is 35. Okay. Fifth question. In an assembly, 7 or 2 people are asked to stand in 27 rows in such a way that each row has an equal number of people. Each row has equal number of people. How many people will be there in each row? See, total 702 people are there. Total 702 people. Okay. Then they want to stand in 27 rows. 702 people are there. Okay. They want to stand in 27 rows. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, such 27 rows. In 27 rows they need to stand. And in one row, how many people will be there? In each row means in one row, how many people? Okay, that we can find 702 divided by 27. How you know? Well, we multiplying 27 with how many people in one row, that will get 702. So 702 divided by 27. That is 2 times 27 is 2 times 27 we will get 27 into 2, 4, 5, 54. Okay, then here 0 become 10, 10 minus 4, 6. And here 7 becomes 6, 6 minus 5, 1. And we can write this 2 here and 162. What about 27 into 6? 42. 6 into 7, 42, 2. And 4 here. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. And we can write here 6. 6 into 27, 162. 0. And we'll get 26. What is 26? How many people will be there in each row? So, in each row, how many people? 26 people. That is our answer. Sixth question. Sheena buys 165 sweets to distribute equally among 36 classmates. Total 165 sweets are there. And she wants to distribute equally among 36 classmates on her birthday. How many sweets will each child get? Each child. See, how many sweets will get each child means how many sweets will get one child. Okay. And how many sweets will be left with her? That is the question here. Now we can write total number of sweets that they given here. Total number of sweets. That is 165. The next, number of classmates. Number of classmates, 36. Then, how many sweets will each child get? Then we can write, each child will get 165 divided by 36. What is the answer? 165 divided by 36. 36 into 4. What is 4 into 6? 24. Then 4, 2 here. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. We'll get 144. And while subtracting, we'll get 1, 2. 21 as reminder. That means here she can distribute 4 sweets equally among her classmates. For each student means, each child means 4, one child. For one child, 4 sweets. They will get 4 sweets each. And how many sweets will be left? 21 is our reminder. That means 21 sweets will be left. Okay. 7th question. Kinjal fills a 1176 liter tank with 42 buckets of water. What is the capacity of the bucket? What is the capacity of one bucket? Okay, 42 buckets they use, and total, what is the total capacity? Total capacity 1172 liter. And they use 42 buckets. They use 42 buckets. And we need to find capacity of one bucket. And write capacity of one bucket. That is 1176 divided by 42. We can divide here. And 42 into which number? We can go for 2. And 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. And 84. While subtracting, we will get 7 minus 4, 3. And here 11 minus 8, 3. And next 6 we can write. Here 336. What is 42 into 8? 4 times 2, 16. 6, 1. 4 times 8, 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 3, 33. And we will get 8. 8 into 42, yes, 336. 0. And we will get 28. What is 28? 28 liter. Capacity of one bucket, 28 liter. This is a special question from division. Use division to find out the missing number. Okay, a number into 5 gives 3555. How we can find the missing number? By dividing that number. 3555 divided by 5. Find the answer here. Yes. How many 5 in 3? No. And take 35. 7 times 35. 7 times 5, 35. Okay. 0. And we write 5 here. And in 5 there is 1 5. 1 into 5, 5. And 0. Write this 5 here. 1. 1 into 5, 5. 0. And we will get 711. The other number is 711. Fifth question. The cost of a ball pen. A ball pen means cost of one ball pen is 8 rupees. How many such pens can Sheila buy with 315? Total 315 rupees is there. How many such pencils Sheila can buy? Will she be left with any money? If yes, how much? Here they given cost of one ball pen. What is cost of one ball pen? 8 rupees. Total how much rupees is there? Total she have 315 rupees. And using this, how many such ball pens she can buy? See here, cost of one pen is 8. One pen is 8. If she buy another pen, that is also 8 rupees. If she buy another pen, that is also 8 rupees. So total, how many such pencils she can buy? Total 315 rupees is there. Using 315 rupees, how many such how many such ball pens she can buy? So here we use division. 315 divided by 8. Because here equal distribution is going. Equal distribution. So we do division. So 315 divided by 8. 8 into which number? Yes, we can take 3. 3 into 8, 24. And while subtracting, we will get 7. 11 minus 4, 7. Now write this 5 here. And in 75, what is 8 into 9? 72. And remainder 3. And we can write 39 pens she can buy. How many? She can buy 39 ball pens. Okay. Then here the remainder is 3. That means 3 rupees remaining there. How much rupees? 3 rupees left with her. Okay. Remainder means that much rupees left with her. Total 39 pens she can buy. Seventh question. Raghu packs 8 small boxes in one big carton. In one big carton, Raghu will pack How many small boxes? 8. 8 small boxes in one big carton. How many big cartons are needed to pack 9,140 small boxes? See what they given here? In one carton, 8 small boxes. In one carton, 8 small boxes. And how many small boxes are there? Total 9,140 small boxes are there. Then how many size cartons needed? In one carton, 8 small boxes. So, we can divide it. For 9,140 divided by 8. We can divide it here in 9, 1. Reminder. By subtracting we will get 9 minus 8, 1. And this one we can write here again, 1 into 8, 8. Here 3, 11 minus 8, 3. And we write this 4 here. And 8 into which number? Yes, 8 into 4, 32. And 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Next this 0 here. 8 into which number we can write? 8 into 2, 16. A reminder 4. Here we get 1,142. And see, 4 is the remainder here. What is 4 here? 4 small boxes. 4 small boxes remaining there. And for that also we need one carton. Is it? Then also he can pack the full small boxes. That means for 4 small boxes also one big carton is needed. Total 1,143 cartons he need. Okay. You understood here why I add 1 here? Because 4 small boxes are remaining there. Okay, remaining here. And that for 4 boxes also we need one big carton. Then only he can pack the small boxes completely. So I add 1 here. Then we will get 1,143 cartons. Okay. 8th question. Kajal buys a washing machine for 17,776 rupees. For one washing machine, 17,776 rupees. She makes a down payment of 8,500 rupees now. That means she gave 8,500 rupees now. She will not give the full amount. She gave only 8,500 rupees as down payment. Okay. And she will pay the remaining amount in 6 monthly installments. Means within 6 months she will pay the full amount. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equally she will pay in 6 months. And how much will be the monthly installment? That means in 1 month how much rupees she will pay. And what they are given here we can write that. Cost or price. Cost of machine or washing machine we can write. That is 17,776. And she make a down payment of 8,500 rupees she give one. So remaining or balance we can subtract 8,500 from this. Okay, subtracting we will get 6 minus 0 6, 7 minus 0 7, then 7 minus 5 2, then 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8? 9. And she want to pay 9,276 rupees within 6 months. She want to pay 9,276 rupees within 6 months. And the question is, in 1 month, how much rupees she need to pay? In 1 month. So, here we need to divide it. Okay, 9,276 divided by 6. 1 into 6, 6. 9 minus 6, we will get 3. And 2 we can write here. in 32. How many 6 in 32? Yes, 5. 5 in the 6, 30. And 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Now we can write the 7 here. How many 6 in 27? 4 times. 4 times 6, 24. 7 minus 4, 3. Here 0. And we can write 3 here, 6 here. In 36, 6 times 6, 36 and 0. And we will get 1546. That means she need to pay in 1 month. She need to pay in 1 month. How much rupees? 1546 rupees. Is it clear? Okay.